The American Osteopathic Foundation was created to support you, osteopathic physicians, students, and educators. Your legacy is the definition of our success. From excellence in best practices to the patients whose lives have been changed. Tonight, we salute the current and future leaders of our profession. Welcome to Honors 2015. Soon, we'll introduce you to the stars of the evening. But now we'd like to show you some of the inspiring things your foundation has accomplished this past year. This is the impact osteopathic students and physicians, supported by this foundation, are having nationally and around the world. The AOF's Human Touch Student Leadership Project gathers osteopathic medical students to spend a few days assisting an underserved part of America. This year they went back to the roots of osteopathic medicine, to A.T. Still's birthplace of Lee County, Virginia, where students work together to improve the lives of disabled residents by building wheelchair-accessible ramps for easier access to their homes and beautifying their property. The AOF's Welch Scholars Grant Program provides financial support to osteopathic medical students based on their outstanding academic achievement, participation in extracurricular activities, strong commitment toward osteopathic medicine, and financial need. The AOF's Helping Hands at OMED is an annual hands-on service project designed to give OMED attendees and friends the opportunity to make a difference in the OMED host city. This year, the volunteers worked with Give Kids the World, a 79-acre nonprofit storybook resort where children with life-threatening illnesses and their family are treated to a week-long fantasy vacation. Volunteers spread across the resort, interacting with families, painting, landscaping, and providing general cleanup of the resort. A wonderful opportunity to give back to Orlando. Helping Hands House of Delegates is an annual service project organized by the AOF for members of the Advocates for the American Osteopathic Association. In 2015, volunteers worked with adults with intellectual developmental disabilities and mental illness at the Newman Family Services Community Center. Volunteers spent time with residents and helped build a new garden for all to enjoy. The AOF is proud to partner on a joint initiative between the American Osteopathic Association and the American Association of Colleges of Osteopathic Medicine to support the Institute of Medicine's Anniversary Fellowship Program. Cray Milford Jr., D.O., recently began a 2-year osteopathic fellowship with the IOM to ensure osteopathic medical professionals have the opportunity to work on and influence evidence-based healthcare that affects the nation's overall health. The AOF support for the National Osteopathic Medical Association's Health Fair for the Homeless helps bring much-needed health screenings and medical education to the homeless residing in communities surrounding OMED's host city. This year, osteopathic physicians and osteopathic medical students provided expert care to the homeless of the Orlando Union Rescue Mission. The AOF support for the Museum of Osteopathic Medicine's interactive website helps better serve potential patients, family members, and the global public to demonstrate the relevancy of osteopathic medicine in today's healthcare environment. The AOF proudly continued supporting this site in 2015. The AOF support for the AOA's Advocacy for Healthy Partnership Conference brings together physician leaders, executive staff from the AOA, and state and specialty osteopathic organization leadership at this unified conference designed to provide enhanced training on leadership proficiencies and advocacy issues, and to create stronger osteopathic affiliate organizations. The Caring for Communities Award recognizes and supports the work of clinics making a difference in the lives of people struggling with a variety of healthcare and social issues. The award is presented to a qualified care center that best exemplifies the humanitarian values of compassion, dedication, and dignified care while addressing the healthcare needs of people in disadvantaged communities. The AOF is honored to present this award to St. John's Episcopal Hospital and its Family Medicine Program Director, Jonathan Eckstein, D.O. The AOF's Rosnick Humanitarian Grant Program provides travel grants to osteopathic physicians, residents, and students so they can bring osteopathic medicine to medically neglected parts of the world. This year, 28 grants help members of the osteopathic profession provide medical care in the Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Fiji, Ghana, Guatemala, Haiti, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Malawi, Nigeria, Peru, Philippines, Tanzania, Vietnam, and Zambia. The AOF's Ready Relief Box program provides essential medicines and supplies to osteopathic physicians who participate on medical missions to treat the world's poor and underserved. Working with Heart to Heart International, 6 Ready Relief Boxes were distributed to osteopathic physicians to help them treat people in Guatemala, Peru, Kenya, and Vietnam. Tonight, you will be introduced to some outstanding individuals whose accomplishments and contributions are truly making a difference. These physicians, educators, and students have dedicated themselves to bring osteopathic medicine to the forefront, and they do it with excellence and compassion. We at the AOF would like to say something from our hearts. Thank you for supporting this great profession and the hundreds of individuals who have benefited from the Foundation's success.